Hi everyone, let's talk about clean water. It's super important for drinking, cooking and even taking a shower. We need clean water to stay healthy and strong. But guess what? Our water can have stuff in it we can't even see. Yuck! That's why we need to check our water before drinking it. Testing our water tells us if it's safe. We can find out if there's anything bad lurking in there. Then we can decide how to clean it up. Clean water is important for a happy and healthy life. So let's learn how to keep our water safe and delicious. Sometimes our water can have things in it that make us sick. Tiny things called bacteria can hide in water. We can't see them, but they can make us feel yucky. Hard water is another problem. It has too much stuff in it, like calcium and magnesium. Hard water can make our skin dry and our clothes feel rough. Chlorine is added to water to kill germs. But too much chlorine can make our water taste funny and smell bad. It's like swimming in a pool. Lead is a dangerous metal that can be in old pipes. Lead is bad for our brains and bodies. If you have old pipes, it's important to check for lead. Don't worry, we can clean our water. There are special things called filters that catch the bad stuff. It's like a strainer for your water. Water softeners remove the extra stuff that makes water hard. They replace it with something that makes water feel slippery and soft. Now our skin and hair will be happy. For really clean water, we can use something called reverse osmosis. It's like a super filter that takes out almost everything. Now that's pure water. Remember, different water problems need different solutions. Testing our water helps us choose the right way to clean it. Section 4, whole house or just the kitchen. We can choose how we want to clean our water. A whole house system cleans all the water coming into our home. That means clean water in every sink and shower. A point of view system cleans water only where we need it. We can put a filter on our kitchen faucet for clean drinking water. Think about what's best for your home and your family. Do you need clean water everywhere or just in a few places? Section 5. Keep it clean. Once we have a water treatment system, we need to take care of it. Filters need to be changed regularly, just like changing a light bulb. If we don't change our filters, they can get clogged. Then they won't be able to clean our water anymore. Yuck! Regular maintenance keeps our water clean and our systems working properly. It's like taking a bath. We need to do it to stay healthy. Section 6. Getting help from the pros. Sometimes we need help with our water. If we have a complicated problem, we can call a water expert. They know all about water. Water experts can test our water and tell us what's wrong. They can also help us choose the right treatment system for our homes. Remember, clean water is important for everyone. Let's all do our part to keep our water safe and healthy. Cheers to clean water.